Introducing the 2023 Skoda KODIAQ 2.0TDI 150B horsepower style DSG 7S. This stunning grey estate boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and only 62,803 kilometres on the clock, packed with comfort and technology features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and wireless charging. You'll enjoy every journey. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy the convenience of smart card entry, parking assistance, and a trailer stability program. With a chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails, this SUV is as stylish as it is secure. Rest assured with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.